After today activity will be day 24, the honeybees activity. Here we go. So for ELA and social emotional, which is found on the lesson plan that I emailed yesterday, uh, for ELA and the social emotional, I would like you to have a conversation with your child about how they feel about honeybees and how you feel about honeybees or bees, period. It's just to, talk about their feelings. Now, for math, this is where the song comes from, the counting song, which is the honeybee song, which it is provided to you um in the packet. If you scroll down your packet, you'll see the honeybee song, but I'm going to sing it for you in the tune of the Muffin Man. So you can have your child just watch this video and sing it, have them sing it with me and count. And also you could sing it with them and count. Now for science and social studies, I want you to have a conversation about bees, the color of bees, how many legs bees have, what they antennas are used for. And you could challenge your child by asking what which what they use for smell, because for bees they use their antennas to smell. Now for physical activity, you could have them just buzz around the house like a bee. You have them go fast, slow, you could have them jump, and so on, whatever physical activity you decide to have them do. And please record it or take a picture of them doing the activity and send it to my email. Now I'm going to go ahead and sing the song for you. The song requires you to, well, it gives you an option to count on your fingers, but I'm actually going to count the bees on my background. And you can have them count on their fingers or you can have them count on the background. And the song goes like this. Can you hear the honeybees, the honeybees, the honeybees? Can you hear the honeybees buzzing around the trees? Count the bees around the hive, around the hive, around the hive. Count the bees around the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to sing it one more time. Can you hear the honeybees, the honeybees, the honeybees? Can you hear the honeybees buzzing around the trees? Count the bees around the hive, around the hive, around the hive. Count the bees around the hive. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's what you could do for math. Again, you could go up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If your child could count to 20, you could count to 20. You could use your hands and your toes to count to 20. Okay, if you have any concerns or questions about the activity, please reach out to me through email or the phone number I provided. Have a great day.